So they are asking us to graph this point here, which is just a complex number. But in order to get that complex number, we have to simplify this by multiplying them. It's the first number times the second one. And when we multiply this, we just have to use FOIL, because it looks like a binomial and it looks like a binomial, even though these aren't variables. So how do we do this is we use FOIL. And the main thing to remember is this right here, is that I squared is negative 1. Don't say positive 1, it's negative 1. I squared is negative 1. And so foiling this out, well, let's rewrite this first. So I'm going to have 4 plus 2i times negative 1 plus I. And when I FOIL this out, I'm going to get 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. And then when I do the outside and inside, I'm going to get 4 times I is plus 4i and minus 2i. And then last I get 2i times I is plus 2i squared. Now remember, this I squared right there is just going to turn into a negative 1. Right? So this negative 1 is going to multiply by 2 and we're going to get a minus 2. So rewriting this now, I'm going to get negative 4 plus 4i minus 2i minus 2, since it's 2 times negative 1. And now I just combine my like terms and get the answer for that. So let's combine them. The reals, I have negative 4 and negative 2 is negative 6. And the imaginaries I have are 4 minus 2 is plus 2i. Now how do we graph this? If you remember, down here it says real, here it says imaginary. So what's our real part is minus 6, so I'm just going to go to the left 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it says positive 2i is my imaginary, so go up 2. And so my answer is A, which is A.